So we are just very happy to meet again for studying Goddess Saraswati, who is the power of speech. It is a gift, divine gift given to all human beings. Not only we have the sound capacity, but also we have the walk, the speech. And the speech is a creative power that has been endowed in humans. And we are trying to study the speech as such. But actually, Saraswati is the power of sacrifice. When we do the sacrifice, we are going to get a number of benefits because Saraswati sacrifice itself, yajna itself is a secret. That's why Yagnam Dadhe Saraswati. We have noted what was the job of Goddess Saraswati. She was the very manifestation of yajna, which is the goal and means. Yagnena yajna mayajanta devaha tani dharmani prathamanyasan. We have noted that prathama dharma to all people who are created is yajna, and to reach, and the yajna is the goal, yajna is this. So for that, what we want is that goddess her speech, she anugraha, and the creative power, and we are able, the rishis were able to perform yajna, and then they were able to capture the truths of eternity, truths of life, truths of the world, and all that truths or visions that they have had, they try to share that to the oncoming generations of people, that their intellect is sharpened, so that their lifespan upon the earth will be really rewarding, not simply behave like animal. Ahara nidra bhaya maithunancha samanametat pasubhir naranam dharmo hi tesham adhiko viseshah dharmena hinaah pasubhis samanaah. So if you do not keep that dharma, see, dharma is yajna, dharma is knowledge, dharma is the secret. That's why Brahma Upanishadam Maham Brahma Nirakurya. Make a prayer that Brahma, yajna is a Upanishad. Actually, we don't know when we perform yajna what kind of rewards we are going to get. We only expect the known rewards to occur to us. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓ ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, I am able to be happy by performing. No. Yajna is something universal and encyclopedic also. It provides you appropriate, relevant desires fulfillment. And again, this particular walk is also known as the saras, as the cow, and as water. So cow goddess, that is giving us food and prosperity, and ghee most important. Then we have lot of knowledge looking at Saraswati as a river, as a goddess, and as a yuddha devata, etc., etc. So the Saraswati Sukta, or the knowledge on Saraswati, is enormous. But fortunately, we have the opportunity of going through the Saraswati Suktam in this edition of the Ramakrishna Matham people, where there are mantras collected from various mandalas of the Rig Veda and elsewhere, and brought to us in a set of 41 mantras. But people, whenever you refer anywhere, they have their own choice of selection of the mantras of Saraswati and say this is the Saraswati Sukta. But Saraswati Sukta is never complete because it has got innumerable references and places where Saraswati is that. And there are so many legends also. The present Saraswata Brahmins are supposed to be descendants of Goddess Saraswati. And because that Saraswatatvam is Rishitattvam, and so the Saraswatas have got different Vedic professional excellences, and therefore all people who are called as Saraswata Brahmins in general, they are all getting the name as Avadhani, Upadhyaya, Pandita, Acharya, Joshi, Sharma, Bhatt, etc. All these Misra, all these titles we add to our name just to signify that we are all Brahmins. We all belong to the goddess Saraswati and her grace and her Kataksha. So we always speak about the Saraswati, whether you want or not. We are all descendants of goddess Saraswati. And who is Saraswati again? She is the goddess and she is the strength of wisdom. And no doubt everybody has got some intellect and wisdom, but that intellect and wisdom has got to be strengthened. At the same time, it must become useful to us whenever occasion and context and circumstances arise for us. In case of, for example, Hanuman, he is a Saraswati Putra and he is the Guru Sishya of Surya Bhagavan directly. And so you could see that Hanuman, how he was able to use his Vak Shakti, other conversational skill and all that at different situations, like meeting Rakshasas, meeting the Rajaputras, meeting the spiritual leaders like Swayamprabha, and a highly devoted princess or Maharani like Sita Devi, and dealing with the king of the Rakshasas, Ravana, and so on and so forth. In fact, when Wali was killed, it is only the Hanuman who tries to console Tara. The speech of consolation given by Hanuman to Tara Devi is so fantastic. And still at that time, Wali was holding his life at the end, the last trip of life, and Tara. So all this tells us that Saraswati is wonderful, and she is also, we have noted, she is Dhiya Vasu. That is, she is rich in wisdom. Something like Mahalakshmi, Mahadhane, Dhanam me dehi. So you ask Mahalakshmi to asking her to share some money for us, some wealth for us. And we also tell that the moment you share the wealth, you will not be a pauper. You will get more richer because you are Mahadhane. Your treasury is so rich that you can never become empty. Like that, even Saraswati also, she is so rich and all that. The more and more you derive from her all that, she will remain a Purnavati. That's why Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat, we have just now recited Purnameva Vasishyate. So to say, the Parameswari, Adi Shakti, Mahasaraswati, she will always remain Saraswati, Purnam. See, though the mantra or the sloka is the same, but it is able to give so much of thinking, knowledge, sharpening of intelligence, and derivation of wisdom and messages. All that is going to happen. So we have been traveling to unravel some of the truths and some of the wisdomful knowledge and all that from the mantras of the Rigveda and Yajurveda. And moreover, all the four Vedas are not watertight compartments, but they are not watertight compartments. There is an interflow of knowledge. So without the knowledge of Rigveda, you cannot appreciate Yajurveda, or from Yajurveda to Samaveda or Atharveda. So when you talk the Veda, it's a Mahasamudram. All rivers will flow. And I could see Godavari or Krishna or Kaveri, they may be independent, but they all merge into ocean. That is why it's called Veda. So Veda, Rasi, Shruti, into that Shruti, it will merge in. Therefore, but still we are able to, during our span of life, we are able to derive or get some share of that, and that is the Saraswati Kataksha. Now, not talking much about the Saraswati, let's go practical and learn some more thing. So we have done, I believe, up to, we have noted that in the sloka, in the mantra number 20, the character of Saraswati and her mythology that in the 20th stanza, you called her as Subhre Vardha. I'm just referring to just as a matter of revision, because as long as we are in touch with Vedic mantras, we feel green, live. But when once the commentary or Acharya who taught us is absent, again the mantra poses challenge to you. Hey, understand me, how much you can understand. So this is always the case of our Veda Rushigala, Matinaliro, Gambhirya and Arthagarbhatvam. So here Saraswati is called as Subhre Vardha. Ma Saraswati, you are absolutely pure, speckless, Sarva Shukla Saraswati. And being like that, what is her job? Rasi Vajan Stuvate. So if you are attended to, then you will be able to give lot of wealth, wisdom, and many fulfillment of wants. That Vaja is a very interesting word. That's why Vaja Peya, Vaja Sani, like that, Vajan. And Vasishtha is such a one great Rishi who is a devotee to Goddess Saraswati. And so we have, and Stomaihi Vasishtha role. And in sloka number 22, we have done already that Ubhe yatte mahina shubhre andhasi adhikshiyanti uravaha sano bodhi avitri marutsakha choda radho maghonam. Please recapitulate the meaning that you have noted down. Don't depend upon the recording only, because you will not have time to again listen to record. But those who could not attend, probably they may depend on that. We are all having the fortune of knowing things directly. So you observe the complement for Goddess Saraswati, namely Subhra, Shukla. So that is being repeatedly said. That means that Saraswati is speckless, and she has not got any distinction to color, caste, creed, country, time. Anybody folds his hands and for Saraswati, she will be ready to reveal herself to that particular devotee. That's why Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami. That's what you make a prayer. That means Kamarupini. Kamarupini means she could be physics, chemistry, mathematics, Veda, biology, zoology, microbiology, etc. All that is the forums that Goddess Saraswati takes and increases the pursuits of the people who become devoted to her, who are Saranagati to her. Therefore, Subhre and Mahina Andhasi Adhikshayanti Puravaha. So they compliment her that she is being respected in all sacrifices or pujas or devotion, and she is presiding over all that. And that kind of great Saraswati, what she has to do for you, because always the modern people want, what do I get if I make prayer to Saraswati? What do I get if I make this puja to XYZ? So this is how the people are always calculative, mathematical, and expectations. Rishis know the temperament of the oncoming generations of people. Therefore, they every now and then indicate to us what these gods and gods are. We are all powers, who are all endowed with rich power. At the same time, mind to share that power to the devoted people, depending upon their capacity and capability. You know, something like if clouds are there, every cloud cannot empty only at one place. The same cloud, because of wind and other reasons, it travels many places and gives rain. And who is the monitor of that? Who has got that money? Who has got that remote control? Bhagavan Indra has got all that. So Parjanya, like that. Here in the next line, you're seeing Sa naha bodhi. అమ్మవారు మాకు అవేకనింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. Awareness. See, unless you have the knowledge, you cannot be happy or sorrow or anything. No feeling comes up. If you don't have a knowledge, then you will be, if you are ignorant, you are always under trouble, dukkha. So, Vijnanam Yagnam Tanute Sarvam Tanute Picha. In Mahanarana Upanishad also, you get a beautiful statement. Vijnanam Yagnam Tanute. What is Vijnana? Vijnana is the application. Gnana is the theoretical knowledge. Whatever theory, whatever knowledge you learn from Macharyas or from the books or from all that is Gnana. That's why we are always having the Gnana Arjana. Rather, whenever we conduct seminar meetings and all that, that we call it a Gnana Sabha. So when we attend the Gnana Sabha, the seminar or symposium, there Vijnana also goes hand in hand with that. Therefore, because so many Vijnanis also are coming, they are able to give us the technology or the measure how best we can utilize the Gnana or theories. So, Ammavaru Sano Bodhi, and not only that, Avitri. So, those scholars are always protected. Because, you know, my professor, Dr. Krishnamurthy, was telling, we are all lucky people, and because he has endowed us with the blessings of forgetfulness. Now, Martokta Irtivi. So he was telling, if we were to remember all that I have read in books and gathered knowledge, I would have been the best madman in the world. Because our mind, we are able to clear off and forget from time to time and remember only certain such things, we are able to be in the road. We are able to be in society getting some laurels or admonitions. Is it not, Bhattji? Supposing you remember everything that you have read all through the time in your lifetime, you will be madmen. So Paramatma has given the blessing that we forget. So, but we remember what is applicable at the context. That's what exactly we call presence of mind. And for example, Anjaneya, we all have a lot of load of knowledge in our head. Our brain is immense. Take the computer capacity, only MBs you calculate in computer. After all, computer also a portion of brain brought outside by the human brain. And so the human brain is very large to store, while the computer is only a parcel of it, a part of it. Therefore, always you will not be able to open the web if your computer is full. But our human brain is really wonderful storehouse. Like that, we ask for bodhi. So that particular necessary information has got to be brought into light and memory to us. And again, Marutsakha Choda Avitri Marutsakha Choda. Marutsakha is Indra. Maruts are the wind gods. They are 7 into 49. So Marutam Patihi. So the Indra has Maruts as his companions. Therefore, without Maruts, you cannot have any kind of movement. That is movement. When you are happily driving your car, who is there in the car to make you happy? In the tires, there is air. You don't think about the pressure of your tires. If the tire pressure is low, you will never get your speed and comfort. So, Namaste Vayo, Swameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi. So that Marutsakha, Indraha, and Choda is to drive or bless. Choda is to reward and also award. What is that? Radho Maghona. So I think we have covered up to here in the previous class that we are asking the goddess Saraswati. In fact, it is true. When you have money, your value is limited. But if you are having knowledge, Your vista is wide. Vidwan sarvatra pujyate. If you are a scholar, everywhere you are respected. There is no country, color, creed, and all that. So everywhere scholars are shining. Because Vidya, that Vidya Bhushanam, that's why we have got Keyuranina Bhushayanti Purusham, Harana Chandrojvalana Snanam Navilepanam, Nakusumam Nalankrita Murdhajaha, Vanyeka Samalankaroti Purusham, Ya Samskruta Dharyate. So Samskruta Vani is important. No doubt we may have knowledge, but we should have the knowledge well cultured, well trimmed, well seasoned, and well instructed and well utilized. That's what that kind of knowledge is Saraswati. That's why Chodaradho Maghonam. Radha is knowledge, Radha is wealth, Radha is number of meanings are there. So Maghonam is rich people. So rich people must become richer so that they can share their richness by opening new establishments and give job and livelihood for many more people. And the Saraswati again, see, all these people are capable, they get number of projects and they employ a lot of teams, I mean, a lot of employees in the projects. So one more, if one project is going to be completed, another will be ready to be taken and the employees will be continued. Like that, here Chodaradho Maghavan. And now next mantra, Bhattavare, please repeat. Bhadramid Bhadra Krunavat Saraswati.
Bhadramid Bhadra Krinavat Saraswati. Bhadramid Bhadra Krinavat Saraswati.
Ekavari Chetati Vajinivati.
Ekavari Chetati Vajinivati. Ekavari Chetati Vajinivati.
Grunana Jamadagnivatu.
Grunana Jamadagnivat. Grunana Jamadagnivat.
Stuvana Cha Vasishthavatu.
Stuvana Cha Vasishthavat. Stuvana Cha Vasishthavat.
Look, we have the standard people to be model whenever you want to make praises and please the goddess. That is what, we have an example. For example, Rama is our ideal hero. Vishwamitra is our ideal guru. Vasishtha is our ideal. So like that, all these people stand as examples and at the same time goes in respect of practical applications also. How should you be like? Excuse
me, Satyanarayana ಅವರೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಾರಿ.
Okay, thank you.
So there must be a, that's why here in this particular sukta we have got Jamadagni Maharshi and also Vasishtha Maharshi. These are the two Maharshis, they are role models for us, especially when we make our devotion to Goddess Saraswati. And even these Rishis also have got their own mode of approach and pleasing the Goddess Saraswati. One, Jamadagni Grunana and Vasishtha Stuvana. You observe these two verbs, Gruna, Stava, in Sanskrit, they are indicating though the same meaning, but the content will vary, the method will vary. Gruna is to trying to sing, trying to enumerate the qualities of the good qualities of Devi or any god. So they sing. And otherwise, all Rigvedic seers also are called as a bards, B-A-R-D-S. That's why you got Stoma, they are called Stuti. And Stotra, they vary. So Rigveda is called, So they're all called Grunanaha, singing, and Stuvanaha, praising. So praise is also Gunagana, but there is some small line of distinction between Stu and then Gruna. So Grunana Jamadagni Maharshi, Jamadagni Maharshi is very great, is a Veda Rishi, and we have a lot of, in fact, we should study the biographies of the Rishis. We only know the names of Rishis, but if you just study the biography of Rishi, at least minimum, then you will understand that they have number of problems and difficulties in their journey of life, but they never register any one of that, but they are deeply interested to give you knowledge, give you the marga through which you can also be a sharer of the grace of the higher powers. That is really great, is it not? Why you take the Rishi name Vishwamitra Rishi, Savita Devata, Gayatri Chandaha. So it is a mandatory, whenever you take to do japa or ucharana of a mantra, you should take note of the Rishi, Devata and Rishi and Chandas, the meter in which it is written. So when these three should be acknowledged, that is the acknowledgement. When you acknowledge the Rishi, Devata and Chandas, your problem solved. You will be protected. Otherwise, you are in soup, actually. So without the mentioning Rishi, Devata, Chandas, how do you recite the mantra? That's what my guru was telling. So Dr. C.J. Kashikar, a highly religious, at the same time a scholar, deep scholar in many things, he was telling, no, you should always mention Rishi, Devata, Chandas, if you take that. Like that, I also. So here we have the Jamadagni, Grunana, Vasishtavatu, and who is this great Bhadra Krunavati? She is always giving you security. Bhadra means something safe, secure, assured. So we all want this assurance is there, security is there, and so Bhadram Bhadra, that is make the Bhadram sacrifice to be Bhadra. You understand the difference. So Bhadram Karne Visrunuyama Deva, Bhadram Pasyema Aksha. Bhadram has got number of meanings. Basically, Bhadram is all positivity. Yajna. So you have to see the yajna performance. So to go to yajna and sit there or puja there, if you, whatever time you spend participating in the puja going, that itself is, it will be security for us. But we don't know, we go only for prasadam time or mangalarti time because we are not much attended. But if you are there, at least attending the time, some course of that. See, in Soundaralari Madavaga, many people were very attentive. We used to have some 15-20 people to start our Soundaralari Homa, and then later on people used to join because they have to come from distances and so many things are there. But however, I was always looking, at least 4 people are there, we can start the sacrifice, we can start Homa. So we used to get 4 people and then we start and later all people join. So that's why Bhadra, Bhadram. And what is it? Krunavatu. This word Krunavatu means he is the maker. You don't worry. Avaru bandilla, ivaru bandilla, avaru adagilla, idagilla. No excuses, no play. Just start the work. People join. Unless you bell the bell, no God will come. All will be talking in the compound wall. But agamarthantu devanam, gamanarthantu rakshasam. Then the Rakshasas know they are going to do something. We are not interested. Let us go out. Picture ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಬೇಡ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಆರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I know so many kinds of students. For the past 30 years I have been a teacher. And students ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶೋ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. They will take him to morning show because ಬೆಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶೋ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. So this is what not we want. That's why Bhadra, Krunavat, she will be giving the mind also to get Gadra. And Ekavari, Vajinivati, what she will do? Ekavari, and she is a Vajinivati, she is a rich lady. In what she is rich? Saraswati is rich in wisdom, power of wisdom, activating our wisdom. Navella buddhimantre, yenaito nin buddhi anta baitare. ನಾನು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ದೇ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎನಿವೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೇತತಿ. ಚೇತನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೈಸೇಷನ್, appropriate presence of mind. What you should do after next, that next must strike to you. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಳ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಬೈತಾರೆ. If Saraswati is good and the flow comes up, you automatically solve the problem step by step, and you will show the solution. The Acharya is interested in seeing the answer, not meanwhile asking every time. Like that, she, the goddess Saraswati, she chetati vajinivati. And for all that kind of chetana shakti, the power of wisdom present in goddess Saraswati, to get activated, to get favorable to us, what we want is, we want grinana, we want stotra. So stotra ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್. ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನಿನ್ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗದ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಷ್ಟ, ದೇ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ತೃಣಾನ ಸ್ತುವಾನ. సో నౌ మంజు గారు రిపీట్ చేయండి. జనీయంతోన్వగ్రవః,
జనీయంతోన్వగ్రవః, జనీయంతోన్వగ్రవః,
పుత్రీయంతః సుధానవః,
పుత్రేయంతః సుదానవః, పుత్రేయంతః సుదానవః,
సరస్వంతం హవామహే,
సరస్వంతం హవామహే, సరస్వంతం హవామహే.
ఏతే సరస్వా,
ఏతే సరస్వా, ఏతే సరస్వా,
ఊర్మయో మధుమంతో ఘృతశ్చ్యుతః,
ఊర్మయో మధుమంతో ఘృతశ్చ్యుతః, ఊర్మయో మధుమంతో ఘృతశ్చ్యుతః.
తేభిర్నో వితా భవ,
తేభిర్నో వితా భవ, తేభిర్నో వితా భవ.
So in the 25th stanza, 24, 25, Saraswati Suktam, we are studying, where your universal prayer, whatever capacity, whatever ability that the goddess or higher people possess, they should use that power of grace and see that we are helped in that. And for that purpose, we always depend on their participation. See, that's what we call Havamahe Saraswantam. Saraswantam Havamahe. You remember I told you about Saraswata Brahmins. Saraswata Brahmins, Saraswati descendants. And Saraswati is the river. And in Saraswati Garbha, there is a story also in Puranas talking about the genesis of the Saraswata Brahmins. So we are all Saraswata, all Brahmins are Saraswata Brahmins, because we are all Purohits, we are all Vedic students, we are all Veda Sampradaya Pravartakas. And but in order to distinguish ourselves, I told you we are all called as Panditas, Acharyas, Avadhani, Upadhyayas, Tirtharu, so Yalla Guda, Sarmagalu, and all these names are only added to our name to just indicate in what tradition we are all there. For example, if you are Sarma, all your work is only to give peace. If you are a Upadhyaya, you are always to instruct people and educate them through your Paurohitya. Adu madappa, idu madappa, idu madodu Upadhyayaru. And if you are a Avadhanigalu, they are all ready to listen to your requests. And idu madkodi, adu madkodi andre, sariyappa, adu ee tara madidre adu agutte. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಧಾನಿಗಳು. So like that, ಜೋಶಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾರಸ್ವತ. That's why here Saraswantam Havamahe. That
Guruji,
is,
one small clarification. General Bakshi has written one book about Saraswati and this one. It is released, I think, yesterday or so. So in that, they have mentioned Saraswati Guptagamini 7,000 years back. It was flowing fully from Himalaya to that Gujarat, Kutch or somewhere. And I think more than 3,000 kilometers. And in the bank of that, this Veda, I think 7,000 years back, there's enough proof on that. And from there, I think the first Vedic Sanskriti started with so many the rishis. Yeah, is it that you are talking this Saraswata is started from there and Rigveda and all that?
Yeah, I mean that also. Apart from that, because 700 BCR, that is no good because Sanatana, we cannot date when, see people, we cannot date when from these Vedas come into that. There's some kind of gesture. Actually, dating game has been started by Max Muller. He is the person who started the dating the Veda, and looking at him, all other letter scholars started giving dates with number of things. So I do not, even Valmiki Maharshi also does not agree for dating the Vedas and dating the knowledge, just to use the word Sanatani. That's why Amavar name under Sanatani, Mahadevi. So Mahadevi, Sanatani. How many people have? So that also is possible. I don't deny that Saraswatas are all Rishi Parampara. And our Buddhi is called Arsheya Buddhi. Rishi Buddhi is flowing in us. And what is Rishi? Rishi is he who has got some elevation of thinking and spiritual heights. Unless you control your mind and journey with your Chetanatvam higher, then the gods come into the, actually, otherwise called frontiers of knowledge. Actually, one fellow has made a documentation by name Ramaya. He's still there in Banswadi. I don't know these years, but he came and he just, I made him to make this documentation, 7 frontiers of life. So at the 7th frontier of vision, they will be able to get direct communication from the respective gods. So 7 frontiers of knowledge, that was his documentation. When I come back, if available, I would like to display that documentary before you. You love that. At what level? Now, see, Bhatta has got a big ocean as his background. Where is the end? Can you see the end of that? End is only cloud. You see only the clouds ending. So the clouds are in the sky. That is from that height only all knowledge flows. And Surya Bhagavan, that's why Rasmayaha, Ketuna, Suketuna, all these words tell you every Ketu, every ray coming out from Surya Bhagavan is a Narayana. All those are Rishis. All Rishis are taken as the Kiranas of Surya Bhagavan. Because they are all spreading. You try to say alpha ray, beta ray, gamma ray, and all that. And they never have the Amare. That's why Amavas and Purnima. That Amare is important. Where moon will be together whole night. And the moon gets charged. He becomes number 1. On part of the day, he just appears. On Amavasya day, 0. Because he's going through charging. So that's Amavasya. Ama is the name of the. So like that, here also, Saraswantam means Saraswati Putras. Saraswati Kataksha, Saraswati Anugraha. That's why Putri Yantaha Sudanavaha. Here, Putri Yanta, we are all the children of Saraswati. Lakshmi Putras are different. Lakshmi Putras are Vaisyas. They get always money. Bandwala iratte avaratra. Tumba many stuff. We are not Vaisyas or Lakshmi Putras. All Brahmins are Saraswantas. So both are necessary for the run of the society. For social organization, we want all the 4 caste people to work so that there will be. It is not that they should become Gwara, Ninu Brahmana, and Kshatriya, Nan Dodda, and Varma, Ninu Sharma, and Shreshti. Quarrel scope is only low-mindedness. But actually, everybody is a contributor for the amity, friendship, and prosperity of the society in every generation of times. That's what is our Vedas indicating. Vedas do not teach you to quarrel. They always talk to you about enthusiasm, work-mindedness, and research-mindedness, and exploring the hidden truths. Because everything is Upanishad. We have got so many Upanishads. Actually, Atharvaveda has got maximum number of Upanishads. Rigveda has 1 or 2, 3, 4. Yajurveda like that. And Samaveda like that. But Atharvaveda has got, that's why Atharva Sirsha, we call it. So Atharvaveda has got maximum Upanishads, which means highest philosophy derivation could be possible through the study of Atharvaveda. Because Atharvaveda is otherwise called as a people's Veda, concerning to the needs and necessities of people at large. Therefore, that you find in the Atharvaveda. For example, there are Bhaishajyani, there are some sections in the 20 chapters of Atharvaveda, running to one number of that. We have got medicinal herbs, kinds of diseases, the root for the diseases, for example, cough, and also poison removing, and chronic diseases removing. Everything is there in Atharvaveda. Therefore, medicine in the Atharvaveda, there is a book written, I think, by one great colleague of me. He has written medicine in the Atharvaveda. Such a beautiful book I have in my place. So he presented that copy to me long years back. So I will, so to say that music in Atharvaveda and all that. So here we observe the word Janiyanto Anvagravaha Putriyantaha Sudanavaha Saraswantam. The Saraswati people or Saraswatas or Saraswati Putras are blessed by the goddess. They will be generative and they will be giving rise for good number of students. See, all Sishyas of Gurus are Karatala, but they are all taken as the children brought out from the hands of the Gurus. So the real parents are different. Amma, Appa are different. But they have given him the birth and everybody stayed in the Garbha of the mother for 9 months. And therefore, there is that kind of umbilical cord connected and that novel will be cut down. And that will close permanently. You cannot do anything with that. No, though it was a whole operative only when you are in the mother's womb. When once you are out, that is cut out. That gets closed. Then we have got not Navarandhras, 11 Randhras. So another Randhra, which is to get open when we our one prana to go, is the Sahasrara, that in the skull, there is one small hole. So we have to send through our life through that Sahasrara. So that will be the back door. The front door is the Boddu. Back door is that. The remaining 9 doors are occurring. See, Navarandhra Gruha. Our body is Navarandhras operative. But one back door is there, Sahasrara. One door, entry door is there, novel, that is closed. Then once you are out from the mother's chambers, finished. You no more have any use out of it. That's why even today people, surgeons talk, abdomen is a magical box of surgeon. It's a magical box. Every system is there around. So abdominal operations are really tough. People have got to be very careful. That's why the surgeons cannot become curious. If at all there is some problem, they should attend the problem and get out, because there are so many curious things in the abdomen around. So that's why that is a hole through which we are able to enter and get food from our mother. So that's why Janayantaha Putriyantaha Sudanavaha Saraswantam Havamahe. And in the next mantra, you observe Saraswati as a river. As a first river, as our Bhatt said, he said, and there is another version that Saraswati river is born from the Mount Everest. That is 4,000 and odd height in the Saraswati river. Otherwise, all rivers are from Vishnupada. We don't know Vishnupada because Vishnupada is there upon the earth flowing down, and Vishnupada is covering the entire universe. And third, when Bali Chakravarti land, 2 used to cover the entire universe. Third feet was vacant. Then Vishnu asked, where should I keep my third foot? Upon my head. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ మీ ಕೋಪ nowadays if you are angry ಎಲ್ಲಿಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಬಲಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಲನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. when you keep on crying, then you become angry and say ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡು ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So that is how the proverb has come in that. So in fact, Bali Chakravarti got the third feet of that god Vishnu, and he pushed him down the Patala Loka, and whereat he became a king. And even today, that Bali Chakravarti has asked boons that he has to be the guardian of his Patala Loka constantly, Vishnu, for what dhanam he has done. Secondly, he said, I must be able to, because I am pushed down to them, all people are happy, at least once a year I should come back. Therefore, we all celebrate Bali Padyami. Naraka Chaturdasi, Narakasura is a great bhakta, and he was granted because the next day is Amavasya, darkness. But I want the next day, after my death day, the entire universe must be filled with lights. Therefore, it is called Deepavali Amavasya. So Deepavali, there should not be darkness because all people are celebrating their happiness. Anyway, so I go differently. Here, Saraswati is a river. Yatte Saraswati Urmayaha. Urmis are the waves. See, Urmis are the waves. And waves also depend upon the Vayu. There are so many content, there is so much of physics about the waves. So Urmayaha. And how are the Urmis? How are the waves? They are all Madhumantaha. Madhumantaha. Mat means, I told you, they are all they are not sweet, but sweet like. I told you, Tunga Pana, Ganga Snana. The Tunga water is sweet. So sweet you like to drink again and again. So Tunga Pana, like that. Madhumantaha. Actual water is sweet. And therefore, we are able to enjoy the water and sustain our lives. And if you heat the water, the taste goes. But again, because if you look at it through a microscope, there will be so many germs are floating on the water. And they are the taste buds, taste giver giving one. Because when you heat the water, they die. Therefore, the ruchi of the water dies. After some time, when you leave the water like that, the water again the same bacteria comes up. And then the water will be sweet. Therefore, in Kannada they say, sihi neer togond banni antare. Neer togond ba andre alla, sihi neer beku. Or in Telugu we say, manchi neelu tiskarandi anta. So, neelallo kuda manchi neelu, bavi neelu undi. So, if you say in English, well water means bavi neeru. So, we want only manchi neelu. Like that, she is Madhumantaha and Ghrutashyutaha. And Ghrutashyutaha means they are nutritious. Water is a nutrient for us. It gives you a lot of digestive power, digestion, assimilation, circulation. So, you know, our body contains 75% of water. And the other content is only 20%, as the doctors say, I don't know. So at least 70 to 75% water is there. If the water gets dried up, something, then we feel all the dryness. During the winter season, we should drink more water because the skin gets dried. That's what eczema they call it. When skin gets dried, you get irritation, itching and all that. So you have to give. So Ghrutashyutaha. And now Saraswati, as a river goddess, as a Mahadadi, what she has to do, even in that form, because she is called Kamarupini. When Saraswati goddess is in the form of a river, even through the form of river, she has to Avita Bhava. Amma, you be a protector to us. You be a sustainer to us. You be helping us to live our full life upon the earth. See, our life upon the earth is always temporary, but we always live with the impression that we are permanent. Smashanake ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಳ ಅಲ್ಪಾಯುಷು ಬೇಗನೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋದ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬೈತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಗತಿ ಏನೋ ಮನೆ ಸೇರ್ತೀವೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So that's what exactly Shankara calls smasana. So ಸ್ಮಶಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಮನೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಾಫಿ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಮಶಾನ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಶಂಕರ ಸೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ, ಅಭೋ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಶಾನ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ ಅಭಾವ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿರೋ ತನಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಬಳ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಂಬಳ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕೇನಪ್ಪ ಸಂಬಳ ಬಂತ ಅಂತ. ಬಂತು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಬಟ್ one has to be changing like that. So here tebhihi no avita bhava, beautiful it is. So now the river form of the goddess Saraswati originally, and that is being, and I think next month we are going to have a beautiful lecture on Saraswati by a person by name Prasant. He is a project member, Saraswati project director member, who worked a lot on the Saraswati. They discovered, they said that they will take us to the bank of the Saraswati river, and he has a lot of, so he has told me, what you want me to talk Saraswati only as a river, the contemporary projects, etc., or what do you want? And I said, Baba, people may not be interested in Saraswati project, but I want comprehensive touch regarding Goddess Saraswati's personality, mythology, and etc. And I just suggested him. I hope he will be able to do it. So now you see, she is Tebhirno Avita Bhava. So Saraswati as water, be our protector. I think you are appreciating the thoughts that our rishis have given us, and it's a matter of knowledge. Just to knowing water is one thing, but knowing the properties of water, you must go to chemistry department. So in chemistry, you study the properties of matter, water. So like that. And next month, I want to bring an water expert from Jaipur, Dr. Ram Gopal, to speak to you on all about the water. Because these are all important things which with which our knowledge becomes enhanced, because they're all specialized persons. Now, please repeat. Pipivam, Suryanarayana garu Chapandi. Om Pipivam Sam Saraswataha. Zara ilvo gottilla. Anyway, whoever is there, please repeat. Pipivam Sam Saraswataha.
Pipivam Sam Saraswataha. Pipivam Sam Saraswataha.
Stanam yo Vishwadarshataha.
Tanam yo Vishwadarshataha. Tanam yo Vishwadarshataha.
Bhakshimahi Prajamisham.
Bhakshimahi Prajamisham. Bhakshimahi Prajamisham.
So really I feel very happy when we read these mantras, making prayer to Goddess Saraswati, what she should do for us. You see the word Pipi Vam Sam Stanam, one, and Vishwadarshataha Saraswataha, two. Then Isham Bhachi Mahi. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಒಬಿಡಿಯಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದೇ ಲಿಸನ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಕೋಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. No, see, if a LKG baby, you try to say no, it is not. No, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಹೆಂಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ. So the teacher telling, and that is the kind of faith. And so like that, Saraswataha Pipivamsam. I think Pipivamsam means Piyamanam. That is drinking, suckling, and Stanam suckling. And again, Isham Bhatshi Mahi, food. Because of water, we get lot of dhanyas, lot of food grains, food, our eatables. So water is, without water, no crop comes up. So we are enjoying the food Saraswati. We are enjoying drink because of Goddess Saraswati, and she has got that power of giving us the universal vision. Vishwadarshataha Stanam Saraswataha. Now we are embarking upon a beautiful slokam, and Heli Satyanarayana avare Ambitame Nadi Nadi Tame Devi Devi Tame Saraswati.
Ambitame naditame devitame saraswati. Ambitame naditame devitame saraswati.
Aprashasta ivasmasi.
Aprashasta ivasmasi. Aprashasta ivasmasi.
Prasastim amba naskrudhi.
Prashastim amba naskrudi. Prashastim amba naskrudi.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಮಂತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವತಾ ಪೂಜೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದಿನ. ನಮ್ಮ LS ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು. ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವತಾ ಅರ್ಚನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ.
ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ವೇದ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಂಬಿತಮೆ ನದಿತಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ when we do that.
With this mantra we offer kunkuma and pashpu.
Okay.
Because kunkuma and pashpu, they are the mangalya dravyas. So in our house we should always have the mangalya, mangalam. All people in our house, in our relations, kith and kin, all people must be happy. Therefore you make a prayer here that we are all aprasastas. That means we have no much kirti in us. Complete kirti namgilla. We don't have complete kirti. But our journey is to acquire kirti. Means punyam. When you get more and more punyam, the papam that we have got stock will get nullified. So papa vimukti, punya prapti. So papa vimukti, punya prapti happens when Saraswati Kataksha flows upon us. ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹುಚ್ಚರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹುಚ್ಚರಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾನವಂತರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅವನು 1000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್. ಅದೇನು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ರೋಡ್ಗೆ. He'll not go by auto or by bus. So I mean that is the temper, utsaha, people who get it. The moment the Lakshmi Kataksha is there. But Saraswati ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಆ ತರಹ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. They are found in the house only. And not only that, they invite their friends also to give their son to you. So that is the Saraswati. That's why ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಅಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಾಹ ಯುವಸ್ಮಸಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರಶಸ್ತರಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಪ್ರಶಸ್ತರಲ್ಲ. No human being is profane. He is always serene and sacred. Because we always say Amrutasya Putraha. We are all the children of Amruta Paramatma. That's why Amrutasya Putraha ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ we are having lot of potentiality. And that potential energy has got to be made kinetic energy. Increase it. Means that you have to do some punya karyas. Then you will get, that's why, what is that punyam? Prasasti. Prasasti andre kirti, yashaha, good name. So you have to make good name. To make good name, we should have good mind. Mind and name are connected together. So if you have got good mind, good kirti comes up. Therefore, for that, who is the cause for that? Saraswati, Vani, Vagdevi. So Vagdevyai Namaha. Always we make namaskara to Vagdevi because she is one. Now you understand the first one which you have done. Ambitame, Naditame, Devitame, Saraswati. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಬ, ಅಮ್ಮ, ಮದರ್. ತಮೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ. She is the supreme mother among all mothers. Sometimes mother may become angry, but Saraswati cannot become angry. She will always be protecting us. That's why she is the best mother, supreme mother. Ambi Tame. Ambi Tame. And Nadi Tame. Nadi has got meanings. Nada means nada, sound, means knowledge. So among the mothers who provide knowledge, Saraswati is the supreme mother. Amma may not know, but Saraswati knows it. That's why she is Amma Supreme. Nadi Tame. Another meaning is she is the best among all flowing rivers. Mahanadigalalli uttamavada nadi yadu andre Saraswati river. And Saraswati contact is there to all rivers. You go to Triveni Sangamam, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. At that particular confluence point in Allahabad, Prayaga, you are being taken. There you make Venidanam. Venidanam and puja to the Saraswati, who is Guptagamini. And that you can distinguish the color of the water, Yamuna, color of the water, Ganga, color of the water, Saraswati, you can distinguish. Therefore, she is called Nadi Tame. That is, among Nadis, she is a mother. She is sacred, highly sacred, Saraswati water. And Devi Tame, there are hundreds of goddesses. Among all goddesses, Saraswati is, that's why in Durga Saptasati, you see Mahakali, Mahalakshmi. Ultimately, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi merge into Mahasaraswati. So, otherwise it is called Rigveda Swarupam. Rigveda is Mahakali. And Yajurveda is Mahalakshmi. And Samaveda is Mahasaraswati. So, Yajurveda Swarupam, Samaveda Swarupam. I am teaching Durga Saptasati on every Tuesday, but it is 4:30 your morning. I cannot ask you to come. But at least I am thankful to Seshajalaya. He is trying to put on a YouTube or Nadaveda Adhyayana Kendra YouTube. Slowly you can listen to the Durga Saptasati trying to explain. And there you see ultimately, and who is Durga? Durga is nothing but the personification in a female form of the Tejo Rasi that appeared upon the Himalayan mountain. So that's how Tejo Rasi Samudbhava Devi Nari Bhutva Atishtatu. She remained in the female form. So beautiful to look at. All gods come to have darshan of Devi. They empower her with all their maximum energy, and therefore she becomes a Mahadurga. So that's why she becomes a Katyayani, Varahi, Vaishnavi, etc. All Devata Shaktis get endowed in her, and she becomes like that. That's why she is called as a Devi Tame. So Mahasaraswati Puja, we do it. Durga Ashtami, then you have got before that Durga Ashtami, we have got that Mahasaraswati Puja, Mula Nakshatra, then she becomes Durga, and then you do the Ayudha Puja, because Ayudhas are necessary for them to protect any god. They have always Ayudhas. So that's why she is called Devi Tame. Understand? Tama means superlative degree. In Sanskrit language, there are only 2 degrees of comparison, unlike English, positive and superlative. So Tama Sabda is superlative. And who is all these 3 complements to whom? Saraswati. Amma Saraswati ke, and she is a flow. She, as she flows, she turns Grutavati. As she flows, she becomes Madhumati. Knowledge ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, as and how you come to know, you feel really happy. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, now I come to know this is what. So this is how the journey of learning goes. So the learning process is never ending. We keep on learning adding. Therefore, here we say that. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಪ್ರಶಸ್ತ ಇವಸ್ಮಸಿ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ರಶಸ್ತ್ರಲ್ಲ. We have the basic intelligence, basic ಕೀರ್ತಿ we have got. ಏನನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Without anything, how can you develop? That's why for all development there should be something positive, something real. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಹೋಮಗುಂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ಪುರೋಹಿತರು ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮಗುಂಡನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನೀವು ಆವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಮಗುಂಡ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹೋಮಗುಂಡ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನೇ? ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಡಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 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 ಪ್ಲಸ್. Chame, 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 chame. See, in chame, what is that? This, also this, also this, also this is called aprasasta. Make us prasasta. And therefore, Amba, Naha, Kruthi, Naha, Namanellarana. Now we are under Saraswantam. We are all descendants of, and we have all the knowledge. We have, that's why in Durga Saptati, that Rishi says, people born, sarvasya buddhi rasti. All those beings who are born, they have buddhi. Sarvasya jantoho buddhi rasti. Prativundu, even ant also has intelligence. Because if it is going in row, if it finds some friend, that ant comes aside, meets the other friend, talks a while, and again joins the line. You observe, right from ant up to maximum. They have the friendship and relationship. Ant ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಂಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಸರ್ವಸ್ಯ ಜಂತೋ ಬುದ್ಧಿರಸ್ತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹರಿದ್ರಾಚೂರ್ಣಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ, ಕುಂಕುಮಚೂರ್ಣಂ ಸಮರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದೇವತಾರ್ಚನ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ set by our rishis, wherewith we offer kunkuma or haldi or pasupu to the devatas, because the mangala dravya, and we offer the akshata, and all akshata is universal general, but kunkuma and pasupu, you can imagine a boy with kunkuma, pasupu, akshatas in upanayanam, just varchastu, suddenly varchas barutte avನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ ಹಲ್ದಿ ಪಂಚ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೋಪಿ ಚಂದನ ಇಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ, ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ವರ್ಚಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಜನರು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು 5 ಮುತ್ತೈದಾಸ್, ಭವತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾಂದೇಹಿ, ಭವತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷಾಂದೇಹಿ. ಆ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದೋ ಬಂಗಾರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವಟು. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಬ ಅದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಪನಯನದಿಂದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಸರಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ when they become mother, they become once more great Vedic people. That's why all married women have got eligibility to study anything, Vedas. So prasastim amba naskruti. So we have come across is a wonderful sloka. What are the aspects of Mother Saraswati? Basically, Amma is Saraswati is a mother, Saraswati is a river, and Saraswati is a Devi. Chanagidiyalappa. See, look at the knowledge, how beautifully we are educated by our rishis. That who is Saraswati? He is our mother. Mother means she is a nurse for us. Without mother, the kitchen is empty. She has to cook and give food for all people. Therefore, Amma is the homemaker, home protector, and Gruha Lakshmi she is. So Saraswati is Gruha Lakshmi. Then she is gives you, sends your school and gives you all kirti to us. And she is the goddess for us. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava is the Upadesha given in Taittiriya Upanishad. First consider your mother as your God. keep your mother the goddess, keep your father the god, keep your guest as your god, keep your guru as god, etc. So like that, here Devi Tame Saraswati, and now the request for her is Aprasastaha Ivasmasi Prasastim Amba Nahakrudi. Whenever you put petition to mother, mother does not say no. Father will say no. Illa anta appa heltane. Amma matra illa. She is always compassionate to her kids. So Amman kelbido bandirutte, appan kodbeda anta innobru upadesha kodta irtare. So don't ask her father, ask her mother. So mother grants the wish. That's why we say here Amba Naha Namanellarnu Krudhi Madi. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So such a beautiful imperative appeal to the goddess Saraswati that she is our friend, she is our mother, she is our nurse, she is our nourisher, and she is our goddess. And she will make us more and more prosperous. I think I stop here, continue with next verse. Very beautiful verses that you have got in the Saraswati Sutta, and we stop here. Om